Model, 65-plate Vauxhall Combo 23001.3 CDTI, 90 PS, L2H1 factory crew cab MOTED 71k miles. Body, white, crew cab. Mileage, 71,822. MOT, the 29th of March 2025. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3D. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,795. Click the